on the set of Nickelodeon's Sizzling Summering Special. Sizzling Summer.
Nickelodeon Sizzling.
Sizzling Summer Special. That was close enough. Shaq, I love when my Nickelodeon friends all get to hang out together.
Yeah. I just forgot everything.
Later. Great! Oh, sorry.
Nothing. Well, I did want to go ziplining.
That is one really big hand.
Anybody else have to pee?
Brianna Edie is horrible.
Really?
Yeah, no, she's terrible. She's got such an attitude.
Yeah. You should be careful, though.
Why?
Because sometimes, you know, the walls have ears.
We always make sure to... I'm going to start over because I'm just rambling now. All right, part 2 or 3, whatever.
Nickelodeon, your vacation.
That was an incomplete sentence.
Well, you get... Okay.
I'm sorry. So make sure to watch the Sizzling Summer Camp Special. Yeah, there's no more. Okay, look at a blooper reel.